amazing, beautiful crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we have a video for you today. Okay, I am so excited for this video. I can't stop smiling. Now, for one, let me give you a little back story. So one thing that I did this year, I said I was going to be very selective on purchasing crochet hooks this year because I'm building up a collection, but ultimately what I want to do or what I want to have, not what I want. Let's go ahead and put this out there. Ultimately, what I am going to do is have a room to where I have my yarn wall, and on that yarn wall is going to be a space for my crochet hook collection. So that room is going to be coming very soon, and I'm super excited about that. Nonetheless, I was like, you know what? So what I'm going to do is not purchase so much crochet hooks to add to the collection, but when I do see something that I have to get, I would say have to get. I don't have to get it. I know I don't, but we're gonna keep that. So when I do see something that is so unique that I have to get it, I'm like, listen, I'm going for it. I'm going to get it. So I follow Live Your Way. It's Live Your Way Crochet, but her shop is This Little Hook of SCHMINE. I believe I'm saying it right. And I put it in the description below. So everything is going to be linked. And what it is I ordered from her before. So on Instagram, I follow these different, artists that create crochet hooks. And I'm like, okay, let me just look. Sometimes I get antsy, but I saw her post that she had something special come in and these are unique. And she was just so like, and she started showing pictures. I said, oh my goodness, y'all. These are going to be my first hook purchase of 2023. You see how that rhymes? I was excited. So I checked the mail today and I made the order and I checked the mail and I was not really expecting them, but I was just like, oh, let me check it. I knew they were coming, but I didn't know when they were coming. And I made sure I didn't do any tracking or anything because I wanted to be just as surprised as I am right now, y'all. I'm so happy. So first of all, they came in this right here in a packet, in a bubbled package. And I have a beautiful card with my name on there. Thank you. And it's a beautiful thank you card that comes with your hooks. And it's the Little Hook of SCHMINE is her excuse me, is her website. Let me show you this. See that card? And you can look it up. Like I have it in the description below too. And on Instagram and TikTok, she is Live Your Way 1107. And it's Unique Crochet Hook Oddities. This Little Hook of SCHMINE.com. Y'all, I have 2 of her hooks already in my collection. So I knew, like I said, she is so, I just loved her uniqueness as an artist and her creation. So y'all, I'm gonna stop. Okay. I was reading the card. Okay. And her name is Stephanie. So thank you, Stephanie. I'm super excited. We talk a little bit on Instagram because I was telling her how excited I was. And I didn't want to seem like the crazy lady, but I couldn't hold it. I had to tell her how excited I was. And my son saw the package today. He was like, Mom, in real time, we're going to see the video of your excitement. I'm like, yes, son. So I got 2 hooks. And if you can see now, for 2023, she was doing the mini hooks. These are mini hooks. So we're going to open this one first. This is the Sandworm Tail tag along hook. And I got this one in a 6mm. Y'all, I saw some pictures on Instagram. I was just like, okay, y'all, look at this. Look how little, okay. I cannot believe this, y'all. Oh my goodness. And she called them the tag along hooks. Y'all. I'm so excited. I am so excited. And it comes with a clip. Now, I saw on someone that tested the pattern for her, I saw that they did oh, what was it? They did a necklace. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I have like this necklace, right? And they put the clip like this, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. Wait a minute, hold on, because my nail's trying to hold me down. But we ain't gonna let it. Look at that. Can you imagine when I saw that? I said, get out the front door. Because I know. Okay, y'all. So I was just like, I know good and well, y'all. Can you imagine your necklace like this and you got a tag along crochet hook and say you just out and about or in the school line and you know how we just, trying to find a hook or we lose out. You don't got to worry about misplacing your hook. Hook it on a necklace. Go on out. You didn't even know you had time to crochet. But you're going to crochet today. And then you can just clip it off and boom, start. Listen, I got mine to the 6 millimeters because, listen, that's my whole intentions is to like, I'm going to be the crochet lady with the necklace. So we have this. Y'all, it's beautiful. And look at that. Oh. And Friday, like I'll use this hook throughout the week. So Friday, I'll come back and tell y'all how I felt about using it. And look, but still, it feels so good in my hand, like right now. And I'm looking around, but I don't have any yarn close by. Well, I do. Any that I want to mess around with? No. None that I want to pull off my shelf just yet. So what I would do is, but this week I'm going to use these and then I'll let you know. So let's look at the next one. So this is the 6 millimeter sandworm. Y'all, this is, even if I don't use it, but I'm going to definitely use it. Look how cute. Oh, I'm so excited. I got to stop. Okay, I'm getting beside myself. Y'all, I'm not even ashamed. I'm not ashamed. I wish there's something in this world that give people joy and like excitement and you can live in that excitement. Because guess what? That's what it's all about, the experience. Okay. Woo! Okay, I didn't even tell y'all what this one was. This is the mini mushroom tag along 5.5 millimeter. 5.5. So I got this one in a 5.5. Y'all. Ooh, I know. Look at that. Y'all, okay. So, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, y'all. Can you, this right here on the necklace too. Like I said, I saw someone that that reviewed the hooks for her because she had some people review them, test them out. And I saw the tester put it on the necklace. I was like, I know you stop it. And I was just like, oh, I can't wait. So look at that. Y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is gorgeous. This is, I hope y'all can see. And I don't know what else to say. Look at that. Then she got the gold 5.5 with a little speckles on. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. These are gorgeous. So I'm gonna show these again right here because y'all probably got sick and tired of my excitement, but I'm telling you, I'm so excited. I am in love, y'all. These are my first 2023 crochet hooks, and I went with this little hook of SCHMINE tag along hooks. Listen, if y'all want some tag along hooks, please go and check out her website. And I would say, she said that she's thinking about doing some more different designs with them. So we can look forward to that. Y'all, oh man, she's an amazing, beautiful person, y'all. I'm telling you, very beautiful. And an artist, just like this is art. This is art. And to be able to wear art, but not only wear art, you're wearing art, but you're also going to be making art with what art making art. Listen. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all the other two hooks that I got from her too. So I have a rose quartz hook, and I thought this baby was beautiful too. Look at that. And I showed this in my crochet hook thing, my crochet hook video when I did the video about the hook collection. But this is it. It's a rose quartz. Look at that rose quartz right there. Oh, this is beautiful. And this one is a 5 millimeter. So I had got this from her, and I showed y'all this one too. This was my first ever shaker hook. So it shakes up, and the pumpkin moves. It's the Harvest Shaker hook, and I got this one in a 6mm. So y'all see what kind of time I'm on, 5.5 to 6mm. But these are amazing. Look at that. So she is definitely one of my top 3 favorite crochet hook artists. Okay, her creations are amazing. So please, if y'all, I'm telling y'all, check her out. This little hook of SCHMINE, Stephanie, is the bomb. Look at these little tag. Y'all, I don't think y'all, the tag, I know some people will probably be like, oh, they're small. I'm telling you, I don't care. They're gorgeous. Even just the wear as a necklace. Like, imagine a crochet necklace hook, crochet hook on a. I'm gonna tell you something. That's a crochet artist dream right there. To have this is beautiful. So, anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling because I'm going on. I'm excited. I wanted to get this real-time reaction, and I had to immediately do this video because I was just like, listen, I'm not saving this reaction. I'm going to put it all out there, and I'm not going to wait to, you know how you have to wait a little bit? Y'all had to get it right then. So I'm super excited about these. Please, like I said, I have everything tagged below. If you want to check out her Instagram, her TikTok, if you want to check out her website, look through there. There's some beautiful hooks on there. Unique hook, if you're looking for a unique hook, and she can put different hooks in there. Like, you know, I know some people like Bates or Clover or whatever. She does that as well. Just check her out. And again, I want y'all to remember, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see y'all next time.